So here's the question, number 13, about management. So I'm gonna talk about kind of inequalities, and the question say, Angela's Pizza is open from noon to midnight each day. Employees work 8 hours shift from noon to 8 p.m. Shift work that should be scheduled to minimize the cost. And what is the minimum cost? So I need to read this question like 2 times or 3 times. It depends on you. But for me to understand it very well, I need to read it like 2 times. Then I write down what is given. So I'm gonna graph my graph. So I have the point here. Y is in fact, let me just put, so for X, I'm gonna just double change. This is gonna be Y and this is gonna be X. I flip them. So this one, I'm gonna name it. This one is gonna be X, this is gonna be Y. So that I do it very well. Okay, but it's okay, I can leave it there. So I can put on X-axis, let me switch. This is gonna be X and this one is gonna be Y. So I'm gonna say, so instead of this, I'm gonna say X is 5 and Y is 6. So this is the way how I'm gonna graph it. So I just read them fast. So X, if you want graph, X is 5, it is over here, X is 5. So this is the X is 5. And in fact, I can draw the line. X is 5. Yeah, that is X is 5. And X is 6. And Y is 6. It look like this. Yeah, that is Y is 6, X is 5. But they say here in inequality, they say, so this is X, this is Y. They say X is greater than 5. So greater than 5. Greater than 5 is this. I need to shade it. It's greater than 5. And then they say Y is also greater than 6. So it is this upper part. This is less, this is up. So, and then they say X is 0. When X is 0, Y is 14. Y is 14. So it's here. When X is 0, Y is 14. I think it should be here, 14. This is the point. And when X is 14, Y is 0. So it is over here. When X is 14, Y is 0. So I put, then I'm gonna make sure I reach those 2 lines. Yeah, so this is the line. So the triangle which I want is this one, to find where those 3 ones. So this point, it look like is, if I want this point here, it look like is 5 and 9. And if I look at this point is 5 and 6. And if I look at this point here is 8 and 6. This point is 8 and 6. So I have all my 3 points is 5 and 6 here, and 8 and 6, and 5 and 9. So, but when I use the computer, there's an app called Desmos. So this app Desmos, I've already put my point here. I graph them. X is greater than 5 and y is greater than 6. So, and they say x plus y is greater than 14. So this is the graph. This is my graph. So the point which I want is this one. Let me see if I was correct. The point which I want is this one. 5 and 6 and this one, where all of them pass. The point, the triangle which I'm looking is this one, where both of them they pass. So it means I'm good. My graph with this graph, they look the same. So I'm done with that question. I've already graphed it. So so the question number C, we said that write the function to represent the daily cost of the payload. So I'm gonna say to represent, remember the cost. I can just say C as a cost of X and Y. It will be, they say $5. They say $5 for noon. So $5.5, I can name it X. I just strip plus $7.5 Y. Then I go for my graph, the points which I got for my graph were 5. The points, I can write down the point which I got. I got 5, 9, and another point was 8, 6, and another point was 5. I'm looking for here, these 3 points. Another one was 5 and 6. So those are the 3 points. So I'm gonna put them, and I see which one got the highest amount, the maximum money. So 5.5 times 5 plus 7.5 times 9. That is the first one. Then $5.5 times the second one, 8. Then plus $7.5 times 6. Then the third one is gonna be 5.5. What is this? 5 plus 7.5, 6. So I'm gonna calculate to get my answer. So this is the number. So we have answered the question. I multiply and I got this, and when I multiply this times this, I got 85. So the highest, the maximum money which he can pay when 14 people worked is $95. That is the maximum, and the minimum is $45. So the question, I've already done everything. So this is the end of the question. And if you want to know the number of shifts worked during the nights, and that should be minimize the cost. So minimize is 5 people at noon during the day, and 6 people or 6 workers at a night shift. So this one we minimize the costs of the payload. Thank you. If you have any question, just comment and I will answer it.